In this video, we're giving an honest review of Firebase pricing. What makes it great, what can hurt your wallet, and whether it's really worth it for your next app or project. Firebase's free Spark plan is perfect if you're just starting out. You get real-time database, Firestore, hosting, and analytics without spending a dime. It's fast, easy to set up, and integrates smoothly with Google's ecosystem. Plus, the pay-as-you-go model means you only pay for what you use. But here's where things get tricky. Once your app grows and usage spikes, Firebase can get expensive fast. Every read, write, and data transfer adds up. Some developers have even seen unexpected bills in the thousands when they didn't monitor usage closely. And while Firebase is great for scaling, it also locks you into Google's system. Migrating later can be a real pain. For small projects or MVPs, you might stay under $50 a month. Moderate apps can run $200 to $400, and big apps can hit the thousands if not optimized. If you're a freelancer, startup, or creator, Firebase is amazing for testing ideas, but keep alerts on and track your usage. Bottom line, Firebase is powerful, beginner-friendly, and fast. Just make sure you watch your costs as you scale. Don't forget to subscribe and comment where you're watching from if this helped you.